Hey guys, consider White here. As you know, recently from the Codem Telegram channel, I don't know which Codem Telegram channel, but some Codem Telegram channel, the new season 3 characters. Yes, season 2 is going on, not even half the season is over, and we're getting season 3 leaks. Nice! Season 3 character leaks have been. Sorry for that. Season 3 characters have been found like this, like in the in-game files, and it has been leaked. So let's get into the characters. Alright, the first character is Ajax Hired Gun. If you don't know who Ajax is, he's a person or a guy or a soldier or an operator from COD Ghosts. And there's already been one more Ajax skin which was in the HPK 30 Maximum Security Lucky Draw in Season 11. It was like Ajax Convict. This is Ajax Hired Gun. Battery Burst. All of you guys know who's Battery. It's one of the most common skins in the game. As you can see here, there's a new thing, like this thing. That means this character is exclusive to CODM. That means it's not been in any other CODs before. It's exclusive to CODM. Captain Depth Metal. No, I don't know which captain actually is this. Is this like that Captain Park or Captain Price? Because because the normal Captain Price is just written Captain Price, I think. And Price and Captain Price Dead of Night is written Price Dead of Night. So I don't know which captain it actually is. Or is there any I don't know about it. Is there like a captain, like only captain? I do not know. Charlie 5 Nights. New. So Charlie 5 Nights and Charlie UAC. So as you know, alternate events have like that, like the team, like community, like fights, like Fight for Humanity or like Knights Divided. I think one more event is going to come like that, like samurai themed. And I think Charlie 5 Nights and Charlie UAC is going to be like the event. Maybe Charlie USC is blue and Charlie 5 Nights is red, like that, something, I don't know. Now there's even competitor alternate and competitor primary, so even these might come that event, I do not know. Here comes Domino Links. Domino's a girl in Modern Warfare 2019, if you don't know. Firebreak Eviction, you know Firebreak, Karat 3, Firebreak, Astronaut, like that. Hidora, the boss, new, which is only, that means it is like only for CODM. Hidora, you know, in season 11 in the AK-47, like Pumpkin Draw, Halloween Redux, Hidora Kai came, is a reskin of that Hidora, the boss. High Priest of Chaos. I don't know from which card is this because I don't play many of the console cards, so that High Priest of Chaos, like that. And there's a Milsim JW Grom. This is a very nice skin. It's from Modern Warfare, I think. Kruger the Resistance, another Kruger skin. Merc-Fight DeMayo. So that means Merc-Fight is made out of mayonnaise. The mayo. Okay. New. This is exclusive to CODM. Park Tourist. I can assure you this Park Helen or Helen Park, because the other Park is Captain Park. So that's why I'm getting confused in this captain, whether it's Captain Park or Captain Price. This depth metal thingy magic. Phantom Ramadan. New. I don't know whether it's coming this season, and it's like a Ramadan event, like, yeah, I don't know when it is actually. I don't know if it's going to be free or not. Actually, I don't know whether it's going to be free or not. So Spec Ops 3 opening ceremony, I do not know. Scarlet Roach is the second Scarlet Roach skin we are getting. Cutthroat. Sentinel Recon Shogun. Sentinel Recall is one of the coolest skins ever. It has only, I think, 2 skins. No, it has 3. Sentinel Recon, Sentinel Recon, Primal Sentinel Recon, Ice Kraken. All 3 of them are cool. And now Sentinel Recall Shogun. If this comes in the Battle Pass, it's gonna be the most coolest skin. I at least think so. Spec Ops 2 Side Scale, okay. Spec Ops 3 Sea Serpent. Spec Ops 5 Liquid Mercury. Now here's another one. Spectre Ninja. Remember that. Takio Sensei. I think we have only had one Takio skin in the game, which is the default, which came in a crate. And here is another Takio Sensei. Vivian Harris Refined. See, here's the thing. If you want the Telegram thing, credits Telegram, yeah. Vivian Harris Refined. I do not know what this is exactly. And last but not least, Zero Shinobi. You know Zero, like in season 11, Zero Nebula, like that. So yeah, Zero Shinobi. So these are all the things. Here's the thing if you want to take a screenshot or something like that. Yeah. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video or next time. Adios.